more about understanding the sea, seawater and breathing. You may want to take a few creatures home to study more closely, but it is not a good idea to try this unless you live close to the sea. Sea fish will not live for very long in a bucket unless the water is frequently changed or irritated by an aquarium pump. It is best to get the widest container that you possibly can, but in it only 2 or 3 small fish with about 3 or 4 centimeters of water. No more is necessary. To understand why, you must know something about how a fish breathes. The fish sucks in water to closes its mouth, then forces it out over the gills. The gills take oxygen from the water and give out carbon dioxide. The water surface in the container also acts like a gel. It absorbs more oxygen from the air and gives off carbon dioxide. Thus, the surface area of the water is more important than the actual amount. This could be improved by pouring equal amounts of water into a tall, narrow jar and a wide washing up bowl. A fish would live for a long time in the wide bowl, but it would soon die in the narrow jar if you left it there, as shown in this video. Seawater can only hold 4/5 as much oxygen as fresh water, so it is important to put only a very few creatures in your container. Cold water can also hold more oxygen than warm water, so try to keep your container in the shade and never leave it in the sun.